Right, let's go. Here's the playing ground. Here's the place soccer.
Check. 1, 2. Good afternoon. Welcome. In a few minutes' time, we're going to have our 3-on-3 soccer tournament right here on the sports court. So if you're already on the sports court, you're in the right place. If not, and you do hear this announcement, make your way to the sports court at this time. For just a few minutes, we're going to have our football tournament. That's right. And now, in French.
Now in French. Wow.
Come on, forward. Come on.
So these people are enjoying themselves here. Yes, these people are enjoying themselves here. Looking around, looking around, looking around, looking around. That's the stage. That is the stage. The stage is set for sailing at 7 o'clock. Now we're in Naples. They call it Naples in English.
Football tournament right
Yes, some of these people on a cruise ship. They're on a jacuzzi. Oh, they're on a jacuzzi. Water's bubbling.
Spanish.
Okay. Let's see, I've got
10 minutos más y vamos a empezar con el tournamento. Si quiere participar, vamos aquí. Con su liberación, señor Clinton Pérez, de Saudi Arabia.
This is Naples.
Now, Chicago.
Let's see. Yeah, I was there. Roots. Traffic all the way.
Soccer field. On the sports court.
Now, today is our last day on a cruise ship. From here, we're sailing back to Milan. Hi, man. Good, man. Let's see if the boys are downstairs. I was in here. I went through down there. That's Holland or America. There's a cruise ship, another cruise ship called Holland America. Let's see if they are. They've got. See if they've got pools. What's up in there? Tennis court. Oh, they're playing soccer as well.
Are we moving or are we just walking?
The ship doesn't seem to have a swimming pool.
Okay, if you just join us on the sports court in about 5 minutes time, we will have our 3-on-3 soccer court right here in the sports court. Soccer, football, however you want to call it. It will be happening by this time. Be ready.
is the bar. We'll go down in here. I've been upstairs. No problem, I see you here, scared of the camera. This is the last day of the cruise ship. Today is Tuesday. The ship is leaving. What time is it now? It's 5 o'clock now. Ship will be leaving at about 7 o'clock during the day. I will be arriving in Rome tomorrow at 7 o'clock in the morning. Here's where you can bring your kids, you can play around here. If you want to play, you can bring your kids in here. Enjoy themselves. Okay. Where are you going?
My wife is sleeping.
So where are you going?
It didn't take long. I was looking for you.
Where?
I came from Sunka's room.
Ah, but I told you I was coming.
I knew I was going to look for roses from Ghana. Did you get them?
Hey, maybe I'm coming to you.
Did you get them?
Huh?
Huh?
I didn't come to
It didn't take long. Just left me.
And then?
Huh?
And then?
We need to go there again. Let's go.
Ah, go in a man.
Did you say that you sleep?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, that is fine.
Let's go there.
Where is it?
I just wanted to go there. Let's go and find out about the flights.
It's useless, man. I can't go
So
there.
let's go. Find out. Let's at least know the information.
I didn't run away from the room. I said you must wait for me in the room.
If I won't wait for you by the room and you told me that you have to go there,
Wait.
then I don't want to go now. I don't know what's wrong with me.
Where did you come from?
I'm coming from the room. Now you can see I was here.
Yeah, Cynthia. To go.
So you don't trust me?
Cynthia. It's okay, my love. Come in. Hi. Eh? How are you? Something at all. Tell me I'm coming to and take winds. I'm coming down, Miss. How many imagine? Go. I get 15. Wait. Unataka ile nimshamfaza mele shi urumini yako na mambisi. Chocho yazi twepe wewe. Now you must tell me what to do. Angimboni kimlage kola. Wo buku vuga sambia kola ngona muntu le. Boy vuga da here upstairs. She's all upstairs sometime. Him at all. What's again? How many minutes? How many minutes? Oh, you're lying. Why if I so get hand? Aywa. Eh? Save. Flight forward and took where I'm coming to fetch her. What was the reason for me taking the key? When I must to our open, we must. Yeah, I must enjoy a wolf, sharp. Right.
You don't know. She doesn't know where I am. Maybe no, it's wrong.
Sam. Why did you leave when? I put you in the room, I'm here. Why am I here?
And where are we going? Are we not going like
6.
Okay.
Doors closing.
Okay, no problem. I won't talk again.
Why? Eh?
What do you want Cynthia to think about me
Deck
now?
12.
Hopefully it's not till
Doors
7:30.
opening.
Eh?
What do you think she's gonna be thinking about me?
Why would she think about you? Okay, does she trust you?
Closing.
Does she trust you?
She'll be worried about me now.
She won't be worried. She knows you're in the ship.
She'll be worried about me. She'll think that it's now Sagabana. She'll be worried about me.
She thinks where you are in the ship.
Deck 6.
I'm in the ship and then I don't know where I am. And you're blaming her.
I want to teach her a lesson. If I'm saying you must stay there, you must stay there.
And then also then is she gonna be? Is she gonna be my?
Can't wait. Baby, it's here.
Baby, slow what you're doing.
Listen to me.
I'm done listening and then
That's fine.
I'm cutting. I'm telling you I'm going to go to home.
I don't know why do you leave me alone? Leave in me alone?
I'm coming to you, and I came to you. What's
I
wrong
said
with you?
I'm coming to you, me.
What?
No.
You're making me scratch my sister.
Maybe I said I'm coming to you. Wait, come this way.
I since we are just thinking that I'm getting not doing that.
What?
Since I am talking, Dana shading I up. She, often then I go. Hey, oh wrong because we hate the fact that we are blaming and the sugar. Young man, sugar Romania. I can trust. That is the thing about.
Cynthia, Lamu, who's get a time and pull on it? Yeah, sure. Where's out to
Hi, boy, did you know that walala?
What is it? Ntem Puma and San Salam Vanget. Ntem Puma and Salam Vanget. Hey, Mama, how many minutes? 30 minutes. After saying Hambido of Puma and I. You see now, 2 minutes after saying Hambido of Puma.
2 minutes.
After 2 minutes I get.
Okay, thank you.
After 2 minutes, I'm saying Hambi, you mustn't put me in the why I never put it. Me saying,
We
never
didn't
put
count the
it.
time.
Never put it. After 3 minutes, I get. Me not stayed here for an hour upstairs. Hey! Sharp, okay. So.
Why are you doing this? Isn't that what she feels like when I'm angry, you're taking her like it's the phone chasing? It's wrong.
You think so what?
It's wrong.
No, why did you go out? Why did you give me the key? One cut of it. Even if I'm
I thought Ladu was gonna sleep late. Now I'm end up in the lala, but she slept in.
even if it's on top. Eh? But on top me. Because I'm
I
gone.
told Cynthia, if he comes, if he put an angel and so he comes here, tell him I'm on 15. I'll wait for him.
Do you watch 15? Because when I said you must wait for me. I'm not difficult. I'm not difficult. You're the one difficult. You're making things difficult. I said you must wait for me in the room when we went out. To do
You
what?
like making me a child.
You're my child, babe. What do you want to be?
You like making me feel small.
Yeah, you're a child, babe. What do you want to be? You want to be a big person?
Look, I'm a woman now. Look.
Yeah, man, I know you're a woman, but I need to look after you. If I don't look after you, who's gonna look after you?
I'm a woman now. Look.
So if I don't look after you, who's gonna look after you?
Look.
Eh?
It's still gonna be possible for us to go out. It's still gonna be possible for us to go out.
It's a waste of time when we go in there to make a call.
Let's go.
Oh, I don't have time.
Anyway, we never know. Let's go. It's important to know than not to know. You understand?
Sorry.
Yeah.
I want to go out. How do I go out? Hey, it's full in here.
Make it the forward, sir. They also.
Okay. Thanks. Okay.
I'll go back.
Not a bad. If I live in a room, I took the key. I'm saying I'm coming, I'll find you here. You wait for me there.
Not a child.
So when you went out,
I'm not a child.
we went out as if we now, but Bangami, Puma and my Puma in Saramba. The 5 minutes, I was thinking about the Puma now.
You are used.
About what?
You are used.
About what?
Let's start the process.
It's a waste of time. I'm just wasting my energy for nothing then, going down there.
You never know. You never know.
I don't have telephone numbers, so I want to get. Let's go up.
Where are the telephone numbers?
They're upstairs. Phone number for your guys.
Phone number?
Have your guys.
We gave it the phone.
Doors closing.
Omega bit.
Today, I was lazy.
Deck 8.
For your lipstick.
Doors opening.
Pelin, it was, but
Going up.
I don't know where it went to.
What time?
Doors closing.
In the morning. I think it was about 11, past 11. I'm not sure.
Deck 10. Doors opening. Going up. Doors closing.